Good evening, all of you. So, last explanation about the iframe, a sample example completed an iframe. Now I'm going to showing one small implementation with iframe. వదిలే సరిపోదులే స్టడీస్ ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓవర్ కదా ఐఫ్రేమ్. Yesterday we already used these all the iframes, including of our program output and as well as the other websites things. Next, we can also embed the videos also, because I already said YouTube using already iframe. So like as YouTube, we can also embed the videos in our iframe and we can play it also, no problem. At the same time, images also we can place it. But if SRC available here, remove this SRC, write a.jpg. It's creating one frame inside image is going to display. So images, so videos, so our programs, so other programs, so whatever it may be, everything embedding is possible. Embedding. Electronic students, you know very well, embedding meaning. ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆల్రెడీ లేవా? Examples not available in Google Classroom link. ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇప్పుడు వీలేంది? Sir, Google Classroom link I already updated, sir. Maybe on yesterday's pending, maybe chance available emo. But previously everything I already uploaded and updated also. Maybe check once properly. Notes, examples, almost I uploaded. Is there any chance? Is there yesterday's examples may be pending? I think I not remember that one properly. Yesterday's pending. Only yesterday's example pending. That's all. Rest of examples there is no pending. 100% pakka uploaded. Maybe your system problem, I think, but 100% I uploaded, sir. ఏ లింక్? నాకు తెలియదు కదా మరి. జాయిన్ అయ్యారు ఆల్రెడీ 170 మెంబర్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. So SRC, please just remove this message, sir. Go for any of the your image or video, no, or something else, whatever it may be. Google link. Oh, PM. Okay, see the next tag, meta tag. Actually, meta tag is not new tag, sir. It's a old tag only. Meta is not new tag. It's a old tag only. So as a finishing touch, I'm going to explaining this one. And this is the last tag of our HTML. After this, we are moving to the CSS. So what is the use of this meta tag, sir? Mainly we use it for two purposes. One for the characters, means browser settings. One main purpose is for browser settings, and second purpose is for the SEO, search engines. Okay, Google search engine, Bing search engine, something search engines are available. So for the search engines, the meta tag is useful for us. At the same time, meta tag is providing some additional information to your browsers. It's a purely settings related, sir, should comes under the header section only, not designing part. Only settings. We know very well the settings where we have to write. Um, so first of all, what is meta? Why this batch only getting problem every day? Please keep your mic near to me. No, sir, I'm in Amirpet, my mic in Madhapur. That's why maybe you are getting low noise. Could you check now? Now it is okay now. The outside weather is not good, sir. Maybe that's why now. మైక్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి మైక్ దూరం పెట్టుకొని మీరు చెప్పండి లేకపోతే స్టిల్ ఎనీ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ నేనేమి చేయలేను Now we'll see for 5 minutes any disturbances is there or not, we'll check it. So meta is nothing but a data about data. It's a universal pronunciation of the meta. data about data means providing some background information related to our web page. Background information related to our web pages. That is called as the meta. So how to provide that information, sir? The tag name is also meta only. Tag name meta and the concept is also meta only. Voice not louder. ఈడకి వచ్చానంటే తెలిసింది. వెయిట్ ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్. ఇది కూడా వినిపించదు కదా, మర్చిపోయా. The low voice, it's not my problem, sir. I think why maybe network problem. I think cable problem. It's not low voice. Voice very loud. That maybe cable problem. I think other signal problem. I think not my voice problem. వాయిస్ రావట్లేదండి సరిగా. వాళ్ళు నన్ను చంపేస్తున్నారు. ఈ బ్యాచ్ కి ఎందుకు వస్తుంది ప్రాబ్లం, మిగతా బ్యాచెస్ కి రావట్లా? నౌ కుడ్ యూ చెక్ ఇట్ సార్, ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్? Now mic is very nearer to my mouth. If I move little bit, sir, it goes inside also. Now okay na? వస్తుందా బాగా? ఓకే. నో సారా? అయ్య బాబు, ఇంక్రీజ్ ద వాల్యూమా? దత్తత పెట్టాలా? Background yellow. Now check it, sir. It is okay na? Online students, now it is okay. Okay anta. No fluctuations na? No up and downs, no fluctuations. No low volume problem. ప్రస్తుతానికి అయితే ఓకే అంట. అడిగినప్పుడు ఓకే అంటున్నారు, మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయగానే మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. Okay, come to the meta tag. So providing some additional information about our web page. That additional information is utilized by our browsers and our search engines. Some information related to browser and some information. Some information related to search engines. Both we are going to showing and both we are going to discussing. So meta tag is the subtag of the head tag, and meta tag is a unpaired tag, just a single tag only, and should be used inside always head section. And when you are taking the new file in our edit place or somewhere, obviously we'll get some meta tags here. See this. But daily we are deleting these lines. Reasons are without knowing why we have to use and that I'm deleting it. Now we are going to discussing these all the lines meaning. So first a simple meaning I'm explaining here. Meta, generator, content edit plus. So what is this option, sir? This website or this web page in which editor we developed, that editor information we are providing here. I developed this website in Edit Plus, or I developed this website in Visual Studio, or I developed this website in the Source editor. Just provide the information about your editor. That also if you are interested, not compulsory, just if you are interested. What is the use, sir? It is somebody they are watching our source code together. HTML open source. So anybody they can see our source code. Who are watching our source code, they have maybe interested in which software this is designed. For that type of candidates, this is useful. Who are interested to see or to just know the information in which editor they developed this one, which ID they are used. For that scenarios, this is useful for us. It's not compulsory, sir. Purely programmers' interest. Interested, write it. Otherwise, leave it. Next, second option in the meta tag, author. Who developed this web page, sir? SK. The developer name also they can present it here. So and so Ramarao designed this one. So and so Mahesh designed this website. And that is also useful to future users only. That is also useful to future users only. In which editor we double Malli hand raising. So which editor we developed this one and who developed this one? The purely users purpose are not for browsers. This information not utilized by the browser and this information not utilized by the your search engines also. Both not utilizing these. Only who are watching our source code for that viewing purpose this information. That's all. Generally, a human being psychology. You went to some hotel or some park type restaurants or some complexes, shopping malls somewhere. When you went to the shopping malls or cinema theaters or restaurants, on walls we have some posters, some photos available. You are just observing like that. One photo super, you attracted. When you attracted the photo, what is the next thought in your brain? Who draw this one? No, no. Generally, every human being a doubt is comes first. Yeah. When you are attracted or whenever that is impressed to you, immediately within the second one question is comes. Who designed this one? Who designed and Sheikh Mastan Wali designed that one. Simple thing. Like that, when you are watching some web pages, some websites, a web page is designed very effectively, sir. So you attracted that page. Immediately we want to get some feeling is comes. I want to know that one who designed this one. Maybe if you go for the view source or developer information is available and which editor they developed that information is also available. The common thing. It's only for the public purpose only, not okay. It's now only for the public purpose only, not for the browsers and not for the search engines. Next, I want to provide some information to browsers and search engines also, sir. First, browser information I'm providing, sir. I'm giving some special instructions to browser by using the char set. Char set. Char set is one of the setting that is followed by the browser while translation of your programs and while execution of your programs. So what is that instruction, sir? Char set equals to UTF-8, the character set. In every language, we have one character set. But if you want to design the steps, you want to write the steps, so characters required. Nana, ABCD characters say kada. 0, 1, 2, 3 is also characters only. Without using this one, step forming is not possible. So code is designed with some characters, so, and output also comes with some characters. Which character set you are following? Just inform to the browser. So which character set means how many we have, sir? Oh, so many hundreds of character sets are available. How many nationalized languages are available in the world? How many famous languages are available in the world? Almost that number of character sets are available. Most popular and famous languages plus most of the nationalized languages. How many we have, sir? Maybe 150 plus available. For this 150 plus character sets are available. But we know only ASCII only, sir. ASCII only for English only. In place of UTF, we can also use ASCII. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this is one of the character set, but it is utilized by, or it is helpful to only English language. I want to use the ASCII code for Chinese language, sir. 100% not supported. It is providing some standard codes. For what purpose, sir? Information interchange. See this one. American, leave it that one. Standard codes. Codes means symbolic representations. So some codes are available here. For what purpose, sir? Information interchange. Whose information, sir? English language to binary code to English language. The ASCII codes are going to using generally. But if I want to work with the Chinese language, sir, ASCII code not supported. I want to design the website in Telugu language, sir, ASCII codes not supported. I want to design the website in Arabic language, sir, ASCII code not supported. These all the ASCII codes are not supported. It's purely English only. Your code designing should be English, and your output also should be in English. But I want to support all the languages and all the browsers, sir. Then we have to go for one universal coding system, sir. That is UTF-8. UTF-8. It's one of the character set. Like as ASCII, UTF is also one character set. Universal Translation Coding System. The meaning, sir, full form, sir, unique text format. Unique text format. Full form, unique text format. Meaning, sir, Universal Translation Coding System. What is meaning of universal translation, sir? I can handle any language of the English. I can deal with any language. I can work with any language. Any in the sense 100%, sir. 100% no sense, sir. Maximum language it supports. Maximum nationalized languages and maximum popular languages they can handle. And if you design the program in one language, outputs they can translate into another format as per the client users settings. No problem. So UTF is the Universal Coding Translation System. They can deal with most of the languages available in the world. They can deal with the most of the languages available in the world, including our Telugu, Hindi also. If you use the ASCII, we'll get the problems in other cases, sir. Suppose we use ASCII. My system currently running on the English only. My HP laptop currently English language India settings are available. But now I designed the website with ASCII format. Now this website's only Indian English people's only accessing. Chinese people's not accessing. Russians are not accessing. They're busy with war. Now we got some break. And other countries people's also they're accessing our website. But other countries people's system settings what English? No, gada. But Arab countries people's system setting Arabic only. Country their own country, Oman or Saudi Arabia or Afghanistan or something. But that is not English. But your website you developed in English and strictly you given instruction to browser follow English only. But client computer is not English settings. Client computer is following the Arabic language. But what happens, sir? Translation required. The translation sometimes is success, sometimes a failure. When you are opening some of the websites, not your routine websites, Flipkart to these, no, sir. Other countries' websites try to open, and the top right side will get a small alert box. Translation required for this page. You want to translate or nope? NOP, nope. Not observed by box. Top right corner it will comes. Chinese website again, Japanese website again, Russian website again, when you are opening, that settings are comes. Reasons are the Chinese website content is available in Chinese, but by my system knows English. But how? Then only browser asking this website needs the translation. Are you sure you want to convert? Yes, first button. Second button, no. If you click on the no, sir, original content is displaying. The French or Japanese, I don't know. If you click on the yes, sir, it is trying to translate. Success, proper content. Unsuccess, content not comes properly. Recently, in our Google Classroom, it happens the same situation. You remember? One program I uploaded properly, but the program output doesn't come properly in your systems. And somebody they dropped the messages in Google Classroom. Sir, virus attacked, sir, virus program you uploaded, sir. Our program not uploaded, sir, properly. And I got some suggestions also from the online students. Remember a situation? No? Example 30-25 series madhilo, some situation. Then I deleted the program, I modified into other format also. Why the program not executed properly in your system? Why variety symbols are comes? And somebody they're getting tension also. Sir uploaded virus, my laptop corrupted. Some messages also. Sir, virus program you uploaded, sir, and dropped also message. Sir, without knowing how I am uploading, sir. Actually not virus, sir. Translation problem. That program contains some special characters. That special characters my system managing because I have proper settings, everything. But a special characters dealing, your system doesn't have the capability. Then only that output doesn't comes properly and you got variety symbols also. Remember a situation? No? Order list, unorder list, program. Divs and tag program. That 25 to 30 series, exact like gap only. See the practical example on matter. Websites also, if you use the same type of settings, limited settings, your system opens properly, but other systems not opens. If you want allow to open anywhere in the universe properly contents are, go for the universal translation coding systems. Who is that universal translation coding systems are? UTF. 8 are the series numbers, sir. UTF 8 available, 6 available, 5 available. Like as your version numbers, nothing else. So this is the character set. So better use always the UTF. Translation problems we are not facing. Other than UTF used translation problems conformly comes. So this instruction we given to the browser. Very valuable instruction. Because web page once if you launch it, sir, all over the world people are accessing that one. All over the world variety computers available. In variety computers, all computers English language not working. Any problem. The next setting is keywords. The next setting is keywords. So this is related to search engines. We are giving some guidelines to search engines for search properly. So what are the keywords meaning, sir? primary words are the main words, main terminologies. Key person means key person, main person, right? So like that, this is also keyword means some important words of your page content. So for what purpose you design the page, sir? Suppose it's a HTML tutorial page, sir. In HTML tutorials and some main tags available. Trace out that all the words right here in the double quotations. HTML, web page, website, front end, UI, forms, document, web document, like that. Write something words. But what happens, sir? These all the words are utilized by your search engines. Any search engine is taking the support of all these words while performing of the search operations. Examples are, so take here one Google search engine. This is our search box. We are typing something HTML, sir. When I press the enter, bottom some websites are comes, right? W3 schools is first displaying, next to Wikipedia, next to HTML, next to Mozilla, next to specific WhatG, next to java.t.com. We'll get something. But how the Google knows in these websites HTML is available or not? Where you searched? In Google. Who displayed these results? Google. But which website name is displaying? W3 schools website name display. W3 schools inside HTML tutorial available or not? How this is knows? Google how they knows? And already they dropped a message in WhatsApp group. General knowledge question. Without saying that website, Google doesn't knows. If I shared any information, then you knows what is me, right? My name knows, all of you. Suresh Babega, Sukumara. My name knows for you. Reason I shared couple of times, maybe demo sessions time. My contact number knows. Reason I'm not given. So if anything I shared, then only you knows that one. Otherwise, you doesn't knows, because we are not relatives, not friends. Even friends also, if I share, then only they knows. Relatives also, if I share, then only they knows. Or they should collect from the others. So opposite person without sharing, the second person doesn't knows about that person. Like that, W3 schools without sharing the information, Google doesn't knows that contains HTML tutorial or not. How they are going to sharing that information, sir? By using this tag. But now Google, what it is searching here? HTML word searching, right? In our keywords, HTML word is there? Yes, available. Now get this web page URL and display in the search results. It is search engine's nature generally. So when you type the word here, now the Google search engine, okay. So first we are typing the word and pressing enter keys are generally. Now call goes to Google server or Google application. There one program is activated. Which programs are? An algorithm is activated. Because searching operations general algorithms are performing. Searching, sortings always algorithms responsibilities only. So an algorithm is activated. The algorithm is going to collecting all websites meta tag information. In that meta tag, after collected, it's filtering the tag. Because all meta tag information I don't want. So collected the meta tag and filtering of that meta tag. Shortlisting. In the shortlisting, which meta tag having the keywords, that line only it is extracting. Balance lines all are removed. But in this line, keywords, as different words you type in this different words, user typing word is available and not it is searching. What are the words I collected from the millions of websites? From all these websites, keywords, user typed word is available and at a cross checking. If it is found anywhere, sir, that page URL is comes into your address search results. It is searching generally process. Which website comes first, which websites comes second, sir? That's the secondary thing. I'm just talking about the search result. Meta tag not deciding your order of the website, sir. Because first W3 schools is displaying this first, sir. The meta tag information, sir. No. The paisa hai information. That is mall related information. So meta tag only I have this content. That's all. My website first displaying a, second displaying a, second page displaying a. It depends upon the internal payment options or etc. 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 These search engines nature or concept here. The very valuable information, especially for the search results. If I'm not using these keywords, are your website never comes into search results. If you are not used any keyword meta tag, your website never displaying in the search result. If you have that data also, search result not comes because I don't know. You have that information data, I don't know. So I'm not listing your name here. Simple thing. This tag is compulsory if you want to get into the search results of the search engines. Google, Bing, MSN, whatever it may be, any search engines. Then what about the orders, sir? Actually, order related to the two factors, sir. One rating, second one pricing. Pricing plus rating, both it will comes. So sometimes some scenarios, Google is following the rating wise listing. And the highest rating websites displaying the first, least rating website displaying the next. The one formula. Second formula, search engine is a purely paid service. If you pay the money now, you'll get into first page. You are not paid the money now, you'll go to the last page. The common thing. No free services, paid services only. So how much money we have to pay the search results to maintenance, sir? Minimum 140 rupees so available per month only, not lifetime. And how many months you want to get your website into search results in the initial pages? You have to pay some money to the Google service, cloud services. Sir. The purely paisa hai everything, sir. One of the information. Next, the second one, description. It is also for search results only, sir. The description is also the search results only. Why, sir? Already Google utilized this one. They identified my page, sir. Yes, sir. It is identified your page, and all your websites are web pages displaying the list. At bottom of the website observed in search results, your website name displaying. Bottom of that, what it is displaying? Google search or Yahoo search, Bing search, MSN or something. Your web page link displaying. Suppose W3 schools. Bottom of that, what it is displaying? Small paragraph. What two lines of data comes there? Every website link bottom, two lines of data available. That is summary. Recently we discussed together summary. It is just information to user. This is the one of the search result. This contains this type of information. Shortlisted information is available. We are reading that information. If you are interested, then click on that one. Otherwise, all links clicking opening, no, coming back, link open, no, coming back, clicking open, time waste process. Just read that information. If you found any useful words or matter, then only click on that one. Check it here. Available at two lines here. HTML is the standard markup language and the description. In search results, bottom of your URL, which data you want to display here, that data you have to type in this place. Doesn't matter. Or what you typed here, that is displaying in the search result bottom. Understand? ఇదేమో your page contains the particular content and not a searching purpose, it is opening. Yes, your page shortlisted, you have the content, so I'm going to displaying your web page name in the search results to users. But the web page, what it contains is short information required, summary, a summary information also you are going to provide for user convenience way. We compulsory things are for designing of the websites, web pages. With the data, metadata, all these are foreground information, background activities. Huh? Sure. Huh? Next one more option is available in meta tag that also I'm going to display. So what is that, sir? Auto refreshing on the page. The page is going to refreshing automatically. We don't need to refresh. Normally, if you want to refresh the page, we are clicking on refresh button here manually. Instead of manual activities, we can write some code. At regular intervals, the page is going to refresh itself automatically. Last sir, listening session, black shirt sir. Listening session, sure. Online, screen not watching. You are not watching screen, or maybe you log in mobile. No. Before ending the session, I'll ask one question. You'll wait. So how to refresh the screen automatically, sir? For that also we have some small attribute in our meta tag. When it is going to refreshing, sir, we have to set the interval, sir. 5 minutes after you want to refresh it, 1 minute after if you want to refresh it, interval compulsory. So inform the browser refresh my page after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the first page is opening. Whenever the page is loaded, sir, from that onwards timer started. Running timer, running. Whenever the 5 minutes completed, sir, then your page is reloading automatically. Well, again reloaded the second time page, it's waiting. There onwards, well, again timer started. Continuous reloading, not one time. Auto refreshing of page at regular intervals. At regular intervals. Interval we can specify your own in terms of seconds. Interval accepts only seconds only, sir. Minutes not accepted. But I need 2 minutes, sir. Convert this one into seconds. Convert this one into seconds and write in the seconds format. But it's not exactly like that, sir. But your understandability purpose, I'm saying, your cricket scorecard is there, gada? Refreshing automatically, not refreshing. Refreshing, gada? Or you are refreshing every time? Cricket buzz, cricket info, ESPN Star, Hotstar, or something is there. So whenever the live match is going on, how much time it is refreshing automatically? 5 seconds. Maybe web app to app difference available, website to website. Maybe some of the websites 2 seconds, 1 second also they are refreshing. Example, news hunter, daily hunter, something. Wait. Daily hunter. That app I think is going to refreshing every 1 second, 2 seconds also. But 1 second, no need to respond because 1 second, one ball not completed generally. But that app interval is that one. Some either 5 seconds, some either 10 seconds. Some apps either 15 seconds also they are refreshing. The developers interest that's that. But 2 seconds, 1 second too much. are unable to ball one within 1 second. A refreshing scorecard is our best example for the auto refreshing operations. The HTML designed refreshing or server-side program designed refreshing, I don't know that one, because this refreshing option both technologies provide. Our HTML providing the refreshing technology, at the same time in your servlet also you have the refreshing methods also. Refreshing method is available in servlet program. Almost all server-side technologies will have the refreshing methods are there. At the same time, our client-side technology is also providing the refreshing methods. So this is the instruction to browser. Refresh my web page. When, sir? For every 5,000 seconds, sorry. For every 5 seconds. For every 5 seconds. I need 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes I can write 120 seconds. For every 5 seconds, it's going to refreshing the page. What happening, sir? The same output it will come. Check it once. Already 3 times refreshed. 4 completed already. 5 completed. 6 completed. But data not changing, sir. Data changing, or you developed any special code, sir? You just designed the demo on my data. The same data it is printing again and again and again and again and again. But program refreshment, how you identify it, sir? Observation. Agar title bar observe, you will get the difference. Title bar. Where is and don't ask it. I'll jump from here. It is the title bar. Observe that one. Identify. So now see this. Close button. Reload. Why the refresh button disabled at the time it's reloading the page. Right, data changes, sir, we will get something better feeling, sir. Data changing and compulsory JavaScript required. Without JavaScript, there no chance to change. Because HTML static data. If you refresh any number of times, the same output only it will come. Write a small JavaScript here for your filling purpose. Script. What do you want to do? We will change the background color. And every 5 seconds, once background color changing. Disco laga. Disco light changing. Like that. So body tag ID equals to B. Why, sir? Suddenly ID, I'm going to write in the JavaScript on body tag. Reason, sir, I want to change this full screen color. What is the full screen? Body tag only. So body tag ID I given. Next, I'm just writing a small step related to JavaScript. Document.getElement by ID of B. We don't know meaning, sir. Just roughly I'm saying this step returns the objects of the body tag. This step returns an object of the body tag. It is creating the instance for body tag. Maximum you know the Java.NET code, so you can understand easily. We know Java.NET, but we don't know HTML. That is the problem. Okay. The object creation for the body tags are dot style dot background so background color equals to initial I'm assigning the red color. First to change this happens and I will see already changed it. Background color equals to backtick hash dollar curly bracket math dot random multiplied with 1 2 3 4 5. Now see, I'm just reloading the page with mouse pointer. Wait here, I'm checking error. Oh, something happened. So every 5 seconds, one color changing. You don't need to refresh it, just leave it like that. It's changing every 5 seconds, one color. Which color it will come, sir? Random colors. No idea. Unexpected. Maybe if you guess it, your time going good. Because we have millions of colors. In that millions of colors, which color it will comes, we don't know that one. Randomly it is picking some color. So there a small zero missing by mistake. Viewports, etc., not required, sir. It directly working. Huh? You want to change the colors very quickly and very fastly, sir. You just go for like this. Every 2 seconds, once color changing. The fastly changing colors. The refreshing page is nothing but an color changed. Page not refreshed, color not going to changing. Previously also refreshing, now also refreshing. Now we have clear picture. Previously we have to imagine. So can I change the data color as sir? Right here, just a color only. Your text color is going to changing. The data color changing. So the refreshing which page, sir? Our page or others page? Our page and current working page only it is refreshing again at regular intervals. How many times like this, sir? Until to close the browser. At least until to close the tab. If you are not closing the tab, that continuously is going to running. At the middle of the program, if I want to stop it, sir, create one separate button. Stop interval or stop timer. On mobile's concept, a timer if you start it is continuously going on. Middle if you want it, click on the stop button. So place one additional button and write some extra JavaScript for stopping of this timer. A possibility is there. Clear interval is available. Clear interval is one of the predefined function of the JavaScript. When you call that function, this interval cleared and you will get normal. Otherwise, you have to close this tab. Then only the timer is stops. Now alarms available with the mobile. Morning 7 o'clock you set the alarm. Exactly 7 o'clock it is ringing, tring. But we are not interested to wake up. What we are doing? Snooze. Amal again ringing when? Oh, 5 minutes after or 10 minutes after. As per your settings. 10 minutes after again ringing, sir. Snooze. Snooze. Until to finish the battery charging, it is ringing like that only. You don't want instead of the left side, move to right side. Right side stop alarm is available. Same type of. The interval concept. Every 10 minutes once your alarm ringing. Not interval. A pure interval concept. 10 minutes or 5 minutes your interest. Somebody 5 minutes, somebody 10 minutes. My mobile is 10 minutes. Next, instead of refreshing our page, can we go for the next page, sir? That option also available, sir. First of 10 seconds, your page only displaying. Opening your page 54 example and displaying the output of the 54 example, waiting 10 seconds in this page only. Whenever the 10 seconds completed, jumping to next page automatically. No need to click it. Which page, sir? Which URL you given that page? Write the URL here. So http:// no. Our program only example 30.html, sir. First example 54 is running. 10 seconds you are staying in the same screen. 10 seconds after you are jumping automatically to 30th example. Done. Our example not interested, then go for the original URL. http colon slash slash something www.facebook.com. Same thing. First 10 seconds your page. Facebook is opens. Are you seeing these type of things? And auto refreshing and cricket score card, that is this type of thing. Current situation. Are you observed anywhere? No, na. Huh? Where? Somewhere, huh? Yes, advertisements are. Mana piracy movies websites available. Open any of the website. First website open. Without click, you are just watching the movies. It's suddenly changing to another page. Myntra no, Snapdeal so, Gantra no, Gunto something website is going to opens. Advertisements especially. Promotional ads. Oh, piracy movies not watching. Tamil rules, movie rock also, iBommano, Tamil rock also, to use something websites available. Normally a website URL if you opens first page loading, but without your interference, suddenly Flipkart page is opens. Sometimes suddenly Snapdeal's page is opens. Suddenly Shop Clues page is going to opens. Next time while working up, okay. మన mobiles kada, the problem. Websites అయితే we have these type of things. The next option and the last option, viewport option, sir. One of the important option related for our browser settings only. So where it will come, sir? ఎక్కడో పోయింది. Car set to next concept, this one. They're not compulsory in the same line, but car set to viewport to both related to browser information. Car set is giving the instruction to browser, viewport also giving the instruction to browser. So viewport equals followed by and width equals to device width. This is the writing style. Viewport width equals to device width. So what is meaning of this one, sir? Width means the web page width equals to current running or current working device width. So set the width of my web page. How much? Which device the page is open, that device browser width it is calculating, that width is assigning to your web page width. Why these type of things required, sir? The measurements setting properly, sir. That also called as responsive designing first operation, this one. For designing of the responsive web pages, basic step is this one. Viewport is nothing but an viewing area. So width means your current page width. How much, sir? 10,000 pixels or 1,000 pixels or 2,000 pixels, sir? I don't know that one. Which device the page is opens, a device measurement first calculated. Assign the device measurement to my page width also. Especially width. Height we doesn't require, sir, because height we have scroll bars automatically, up or down or down up. Width only we have the problem. Vertical scroll bars, maximum scenarios we are seeing, but horizontal scroll bars, rarely we are seeing that one. Even in our software, so websites also. Softwares also horizontal scroll bar very rarely we are watching. Vertical aithe numbers are lines are increasing, automatically vertical is comes. So if you are not providing these type of special information, sir, if you have the broad content like this horizontally, it's displaying as easily like that and activated the scroll bar horizontally. So if you want to read it, sir, half sentence this side, half sentence this side. Scrolling required. For avoiding of these problems, first set the measurements for your page. Page measurement is setting, sir. Automatically internal content measurement is going to setting. Suppose I said grid equals to 30%, sir. 30% means there is some already measurement available. In that measurement, 30%. Already measurement, how much, sir? So this is the measurement of that one. A 30% is calculated from this point. So this point is the main point and the starting point for the responsive designing operation. After this one, we'll go for the so many settings also. So many coding also required, not only settings. We are just informing to the browser, set the width of my web page. How much width? Client's browser width, my web page width also. As mobile opening, identify the width of the mobile and apply that width to my web page. In that, my components are taking 10% to 30% width and height wise operations. This is also browser instruction, and these are the search engines instruction, the special instruction. All these comes under the meta part only. Some of the things of meta are like this. We have a lot of things in meta. Major points I explained here. Next session, we'll start the CSS concept, sir. Remember that CSS we know already something. Some selectors we know, so many attributes also we know. Then why we should discuss CSS still, sir? Selectors all we don't know, only 3 we know. Total I said 10 no. In that 3 only we completed, still 7 pending. A balance things I'm going to focusing here. What we know already about the CSS, that is single point also I'm not going to repeat it. The pakka. What are the things we completed in the last so many days, 20, 25 days, CSS related? That single point also I'm not repeating now. All new points we are going to discuss. It takes some couple of days, sir. Then JavaScript is going to start. So the freshly CSS Monday will start. Tomorrow, na? Monday will continue the balance things. Thank you. ఎవరు ఒక్క బ్యాచ్ ఒక్కటే 9:30.